In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update MySQL version in Bluehost. Whether you're running a personal blog or managing a larger online presence, keeping your MySQL version up to date is crucial. It ensures your website's performance and security remain at their peak. This process involves a bit of interaction with Bluehost support to make sure everything goes smoothly. To start, it's important to understand that updating your MySQL version isn't something you can do entirely on your own if you're using a shared hosting environment like Bluehost. Although, if you're using VPS or dedicated servers, the process might be different, and sometimes you might have more control. But for most Bluehost users, the first and most essential step is reaching out directly to Bluehost support. Now, you might be wondering why this initial contact with the support team is necessary. Well, Bluehost, as a provider, manages core server software updates, including MySQL, especially if you're on a shared hosting plan. They do this to maintain server stability and security across their environment. Their support team can offer the most current and specific guidance suited to your particular hosting plan. So, let's get to it. Firstly, navigate to the Bluehost website and log into your account. Once you're there, look for the Help or Support section, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. You may have different contact options like live chat, phone, or email support. I recommend using live chat as it tends to be quicker and more interactive. Initiate a conversation by explaining your intent to update your MySQL version. It can be as simple as saying, "Hi, I'm interested in updating my MySQL version. Can you assist me or provide guidance on how to proceed with this upgrade?" Let them know that you're seeking the most efficient way to keep your database system up to date. The support representative might then ask for details regarding your hosting plan or account. Be ready to provide this information so they can tailor their advice or actions specifically to your case. There is a chance that the upgrade might be automatically scheduled as part of their maintenance updates. However, if it's not, they will advise you on the next steps or any available options to facilitate the upgrade. Remember, patience is key here. Support teams can sometimes be busy depending on the time of day, so waiting a little for a response or follow-up is quite standard. Also, if this process changes in the future, the support team will have the latest updates and reliable methods ready for you. By following these steps, you ensure that you're using the latest MySQL version, which helps in maintaining your website's security and performance. Once you've contacted support and understood the steps related to your specific hosting plan, you're on the right path to ensuring that your MySQL environment is as updated and secure as possible. Thanks for tuning in to learn about updating your MySQL version with Bluehost, and remember, keeping your web tools current is a crucial step in successful web management.